I am Sophia from AceVacuums again. Welcome to our video on the benefits of vacuum cleaner repair. Today, we'll explore why repairing your vacuum is a smart choice, saving you money and reducing waste while restoring your appliance to peak performance. Many assume a vacuum needs replacing when it loses power or clogs. However, repairs can often restore it to like-new condition, extending its life and making it an eco-friendly choice. Consider repair as a sustainable option. At AceVacuums, we specialize in expert vacuum repair services. Our skilled technicians can diagnose and fix common issues, from blockages to motor malfunctions, ensuring your vacuum performs efficiently and powerfully once again.
We offer convenient repair services with quick diagnostics and transparent pricing. Our quality guarantee ensures your vacuum works like new, backed by high-quality replacement parts and experienced technicians for reliable repairs.
Regular maintenance, such as filter replacements and internal cleaning, can prevent issues and boost suction power. Our ongoing maintenance services help keep your vacuum running smoothly, extending its lifespan and efficiency.
Repairing your vacuum is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. It reduces waste and conserves resources while also saving you money compared to buying a new model. Choose repair to support sustainability and local businesses.
Our repair services cover a wide range of brands and models, from Dyson to Hoover. With easy access to replacement parts and skilled technicians, vacuum repair is accessible and convenient, preserving your preferred features. Thank you for watching. Consider vacuum repair as a way to extend your appliance's life, reduce waste, and save money. Visit AceVacuums for expert repair services and give your vacuum a second life today.